How's it going, everyone? Nobody should ever let a good crash go to waste, whether it's the stock market or crypto. Oh my God, it's just ridiculous. Anyway, according to a statement by the New York Fed, right? There's a press release right here. Check it out. Serving the second district and the nation, supposedly, right? Supposedly. Anyway, global banking giants, they're starting a 12-week digital dollar pilot with the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. The participants announced, okay? This will include Citigroup, HSBC Holdings, MasterCard, and Wells Fargo among the financial companies participating in the experiment along with the New York Fed. Now, didn't Wells Fargo get accused of manipulation and all this crazy stuff? They got fined like tons and tons of money. Anyway, they say that this experiment, this 12-week digital dollar pilot, will provide a public contribution to the body of knowledge on the application of new tech to the regulated financial system. Regulated by themselves. Anyway, the project, which is called the Regulated Liability Network, which allow banks to simulate issuing digital money representing their customers' own funds before settling through the central bank reserves on a distributed ledger, according to the New York Fed. It says the pilot will test how these banks using digital dollar tokens in a common database to help speed up transactions, right? Payments. Here's the scary part. This is in quotes. Programmable US dollars, programmable, may be necessary to support new business models and provide a foundation to much needed innovations in financial settlements and infrastructure. This is a managing director for emerging payments and business developments at Citigroup. It's pretty crazy what they're coming up with. He says projects like this that focus on the digitization of central bank money and individual bank deposits could be expanded to take a broader view of the opportunity. Now, what is that opportunity? To rip you off? I don't know. Would not be surprised. Here's the other question. How would inflation work? Do they just print the tokens? Do they just mine the tokens like the usual crypto? It's weird stuff. So if you borrow money, right? So if you borrow the digital dollar, they just they are able to print money to let you borrow it, and then you owe them interest because they can print the money out of thin air. That's the crazy part. That's the part that people get angry about. Earlier this month, Michelle Neal, head of the New York Fed's market groups, she said they see a promise in using central bank digital dollars to speed up settlement time and in currency markets. I don't know. It's weird. Anyway, for years, Wall Street's biggest banks, they have explored the use of blockchain in their business. Now, in their press release, what's funny is that the Federal Reserve Bank of New York said that its New York Innovation Center, okay, has its own innovation center, will participate in a proof of concept project to explore the feasibility of an interoperable network of central bank wholesale digital money and commercial bank digital money operating on a shared multi-entity distributed ledger. Now, what's interesting is that the New York Fed's, their innovation center, right, which was only launched in 2021, supposedly it's bridging the worlds of finance, tech, innovation. This is according to them, established in partnership with the Bank for International Settlements Innovation Hub. They generate insights into high-value central banks related opportunities through tech research, experimentation, prototyping, drive advancements in central banking, and enhance functioning of the global financial system. So they're really, really experimenting with central bank digital dollars. So they say that when the report is done, or the proof of concept pilot program, when that is done, they will print out a report. After the proof of concept report summarizing the findings from design and testing will be released. I will keep attention on this report and see what they say, because it's going to include some guidelines for participants in the theoretical program and legal assessment of finality of settlements and other aspects. Very interesting. So CBDCs are real. Let's hope they don't go with the Chinese model. That would be very scary. But it's coming, guys. Love it or hate it. So thanks for watching. Smash a like, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one.
Can anybody out there hear me? Hear me?